Hello and welcome to this short video about answers of the inner world. This is the title of my new webinar. It's going to take place pretty soon. It's going to be a whole weekend if you like to. If you don't have that much time, you can do 2 days or you can just do the Friday starting in the afternoon. It's going to be a very sweet and like connecting to ourself discovery. Our inner world contains so many information that our being caught in outer dynamics and processes, relationships, to-dos, copings, save the day dynamics, and yeah, just get along with our lives. Don't always permit us to connect with, and so this is a weekend where we can take time for this. And one of the beautiful aspects of working in the webinar format is that there is possibility to connect deeply on a non-physical level, but as I'm coming from body awareness and I'm holding webinars and meditations through Zoom and Zoom audio for a very long time, there is this possibility to connect on that Geist, on that level that is yeah, it's not non-physical, but we reach into the physicality, we reach into the emotionality, we reach into these bodies, and we connect through the non-physical with these fields, and invite a deep change in there. So there's going to be body awareness practices from the Alexander technique. We're going to have a psychology of vision approach and overall paradigm involved, which is very, very powerful and transformative, groundbreaking self-development and self-realization information and teaching. There's going to be aspects of psychosynthesis with the inner, connecting with the inner world of imagery and things like that. There's going to be group work, and it's going to be international. So I'm going to be translating into the languages that are needed, as I'm doing when I'm teaching here at university. I have often classes going in 4 languages or 5 at the same time. So I'm looking very much forward to this experiment. It's the first time I'm just planning something only for the internet, and it's going to be very process oriented. It's going to be very experiential, which are the things that I'm really fascinated about, and also the reasons why I haven't totally committed yet to a full weekend just for an online event. We have had 4 beautiful weekends that were moved into the internet, and now this is the first long-running webinar, and I'm just want to invite you. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a great party. It's going to be a very deep connection with each other. It's going to be transformative, and probably new levels of vision are going to come in there. So looking forward to seeing you there, and bye bye from here.